Hi guys, welcome to our channel TV Files TV. We are back again with latest Queen Tatelicious explaining what happened before being deported to airport to SA.
Explaining to you what is supposed to happen as I explained to you earlier.
No, but earlier, ma'am, I'm not interjecting. Earlier, the security officer was not there.
We're not here on the security. Let me explain to you what.
Oh, you are not talking about the security. My issue is about the security officer.
I don't know about
that. Oh, you don't know about that. So, ma'am, I don't want you to waste your time. I don't want you to waste your time because now I'm infringed.
So you don't want
I want to get a lawyer. That's what, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, so please, ma'am.
What I'm asking you is, are you giving us the opportunity to
You have explained, ma'am. You have explained outside about. Let me.
as long as you have the information.
Yes, you gave me number one. Yeah. No. I know. I don't want you to repeat. You are big bosses here. I was attacked by a security officer, and this man was saying I should go back to Botswana. I don't live in Botswana. You. Oh yeah, it's okay. Thank you.
She's agreed that you explained.
Why are you doing? What are you doing? Why do you want to take my phone? Why you want to be violent again like the security officer? So this is the second man. He's a violent. This man. He doesn't know Kubulala. He was saying he actually wants to kill me. This guy.
Why are you being dishonest?
Yeah, no, I'm not being dishonest. You saw him. He wanted to take my phone. You saw him. He wanted to take my phone. To take my phone. To take my phone.
You are invading.
I'm in the government office.
No.
This is not a home. This is not your personal home. This is a government. No. Privacy in a government office.
You can be
Privacy in a government office, ma'am, please. Yeah, privacy in a government.
Sought his permission.
No,
to take
permission in a government. No. I need to document this. Thank you. This is not a private. This is not your home, ma'am. You are working for the government. So you have to protect me, an immigrant. No, I didn't. Any. He is the one who is infringing my rights. He wants to take my phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, so it's fine. I think we've explained to you.
Yeah, ma'am, you didn't even address about the security who wanted to push me away.
Because you don't want us to explain.
No, please, I need to call my lawyer. Can I get a phone?
You are going to.
Thank you.
As I said.
I need to call my lawyer.
You are welcome.
Can I call my lawyer?
What's going to happen is we have to hand you over to the airline that is responsible.
No. I'm in the immigration. I haven't even sought my asylum. No, I have a right to seek asylum. My life is in danger in Sweden. You are no. I'm not getting. My life is in danger in Sweden, and you want me to go and die? This is the boss. She said, "Let's get security." Which security? My life is in danger, and you want to go? Let's get which security? Which security? This is the boss woman. Let's get security. I'm not going anywhere. This is let's get security again. So you send security to attack me. I'm not making noise. I'm not making noise. Let's get security with this woman. Yeah, the police. I need the police.
Is it?
Yeah, we go to the police station, yeah. But I need to speak with my lawyer. I have a right to a lawyer.
I already explained.
No, I need a lawyer. No.
You want me to explain?
You don't want me to get a lawyer also?
Let's go.
I need to seek a lawyer. Can I get say? I need to get a lawyer. I need to get a lawyer.
Are you going to be fine?
I need. You want to touch me also? Touch me. Oh, officer, touch me.
Why must I touch you?
Yeah. So you want, I said, please, I want a lawyer.
Stuff so that you
I want a lawyer.
Please, can you bring your stuff?
I want a lawyer.
We take you to the office?
Wait, which office?
To Securitas.
No, I'm not going to security. Call the police.
Well, this is the police.
No, then we go to the police station.
That's where we're taking you.
Yes,
so please bring your
police
stuff.
station. That's it. But I need my lawyer first. Can I call my lawyer?
Are you refusing to take your stuff?
I need to call my lawyer. Are you refusing me of a legal representation? Are you refusing me of a legal representation, boss?
Let's go.
No, I'm not going. Kill me. Kill me. She's refusing me of a legal representation. Boss, your former boss is refusing me of a legal representation. I need a legal representation. Kill me then. Yeah. And for Facebook Live. Kill me. I need a lawyer. I want to seek asylum.
You said you want the lawyer. We gave you a chance.
Give me the lawyer. I want to call. Which chance were you? I didn't get any representation here.
I mean, just wait, please.
But why are you calling police for me? Why are you calling me for police for me?
Just wait, because you are
All right, it's okay. Police, you are here. Can you please take off your mask so that we see your face? Can I please see your face? You are covering.
I don't take orders from anybody.
All right, so it's okay. I don't know you, so I cannot go with you. I need to identify who I'm going with. Thank you. This is which uniform, please?
Police uniform.
And I don't see his face. You want me to go with someone, please? No. I know my rights. Kill me here. Everyone is seeing this. That's what is happening in immigration, my people. And this boss refused. This guy, he's got actually how many stars? 2 and something. 2 stars. 3 stars. This one. 3 stars. This is the boss. Refused me of legal representation. No. And he said, go with the police. Immigration. South Africa. We are struggling, immigrants. It's starting in the immigrant offices. That's where it starts. Where, foreigners are not even given their rights. To seek asylum, she said no. Legal representation, she said no. Police, she wants me to go to the police.
I think it's paramount important while you are recording to also mention.
No, I'm responding to what she said.
No.
Please say.
What she said was.
It's according.
I'm sure guys mazvinzwira omega tatelicious achinetsana immigration pa-airport ku-South Africa vachema tatelicious vachiti immigration yeku-South Africa haina kuvabata zvakanaka. Mavona vachida kutaura nelawyer yavo asi vazodzoserwa zvavo vadipotwa asi vari kuti vanenge vaitoda vaida kuurayiwa nemapurisa achona nekuti vasingadi kuvapa mapiritsi avo vari kudedzera nokuti vakanzwa zvinzi ngaaurayiwa poison. Saka Queen Tatelicious vataura zvinhu zvakawanda pamusoro penyaya yacho, but tinongotenda chete kuti vaita se vadzoka zvavo vari bo. Thank you so much guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.